The Anti-Corruption Advisory Board was to meet tomorrow to set in motion the process of appointing the director of the Kenya Anti-Corruption with the impending expiry of Justice Ringera's first term. And this initiative was largely derived from the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act of 2003, which provides that, quote, the director and assistant director of the Kenya Anti-Corruption shall be persons recommended by the advisory board and approved by the National Assembly for appointments to their respective positions, end of quote. The law further states that on approval of a person by the National Assembly, the President shall appoint the concerned to the office. It is this process that the advisory board was to set in motion tomorrow, where it was expected to cause the position of the director of the commission to be advertised, after which the candidates would have to be interviewed for onward transmission to Parliament, as it happened in 2003 when Ringera was first appointed. But that was before the President ambushed the board by extending Ringera's mandate for another term. The question is, on what basis did the President act, given that the law seems to be very clear on how the appointments should be conducted? According to a dispatch from the Presidential Press Service, the President simply took advantage of a provision in the law which says that a person who has held office as director or assistant director may be reappointed but may not serve for more than 2 terms. The catchword here is the word reappointed, with the President being the final authority and the law not being clear as to whether the vetting process should begin afresh for a person who has already been in office. It is this grey area that the President and his team may have taken advantage of to give Ringera another term, and it remains to be seen on what grounds such a decision can be challenged in court. Andrew Ochieng, Citizen News.